Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into an essential feature of Telegram that can enhance your messaging experience. If you've ever wondered how to quickly find all the documents shared in your chats, you're in the right place. This updated guide will walk you through the simple steps to view all shared documents on Telegram using your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your Android device. If you haven't already, make sure you have the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. Navigate to the chat where you want to view the shared documents. This could be a group chat or a direct conversation. Either will work. Step 3. Once you've opened the chat, tap on the contact's name located at the top of the screen. This action will take you to the chat details. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the Files section. Here, you'll see a list of all the files and documents that have been shared in your conversation, making it super easy to access any important documents you've exchanged. Retrieving shared documents on Telegram is straightforward and saves you time searching through messages. Now, you can quickly find what you need without hassle. Remember, staying organized in your chats helps streamline communication and enhances your productivity. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on everything Telegram. Happy messaging!